you're probably going to want to watch this video. Why? Because I've got two huge announcements I'm going to make today. And the first one is to say thank you. Thank you to you and to everybody that watches this channel, because I just hit a huge milestone. In 2025, I had 50 million views on YouTube, 50. And as far as I know, that makes me the #1 channel on all of YouTube in the United States talking about retirement. So thank you very much for that. And when I first started YouTube less than 3 years ago, my goal was to help 10 million people think about and be thoughtful and deliberate about when they decide to retire. And for many of you to think about maybe retiring in your 50s instead of your 60s. And since I've started my channel, I've reached 100 million people over on YouTube. That's just incredible. And is there a chance that 10% of you have thought about, gee, maybe I should think about retiring early? I think there is. So thank you for helping me reach that goal. And more importantly, thank you to you for thinking about when do you want to retire, because it's enormously important. And I wouldn't have been able to do any of this without you. The second one, I'll just go through this recap from YouTube. I'm now at over 350,000 subscribers. I had over 50 million views in 2025. I uploaded a lot of videos. Over 100,000 of you commented and over 1 million likes. So thank you very much. And if you watched that video, 5 things you should never tell anyone, that was my #1 video in all of 2025. But now for the big announcement. But before I get there, I do want to share just how critical it is that you can make an informed decision, and whatever age you decide to retire, that you go into it with confidence and clarity, and you get there, like a lot of things, by having a financial plan. As the Army taught me, if I fail to plan, I am planning to fail. And I don't want you to fail in retirement. So have a financial plan. The gold standard is to work with a financial advisor. If you want to do it yourself, use software designed to help you do that. The software I like is called Bolden. Used to be called New Retirement. I like it because it's powerful, it's easy to use, and it's super affordable. There's really no reason to spend the hours and hours building your own plan in Excel or Google Sheet and not knowing if you made a formula mistake. If you sign up using this link here, you'll get a 2-week free trial, and you'll be supporting the channel because I am an affiliate. Okay, let's keep going. So my goal in 2026 is the ability to go deeper with people that enjoy watching my videos. There's only so much that I can do in an 8 to 10 minute video. I worked as a financial advisor for over 20 years. My clients paid thousands of dollars for the thoughts and the insights that I share completely for free here in YouTube. But I need a way to go deeper for those of you that want to go deeper. One way you can do that is by signing up for my newsletter. It's completely free. It comes out every week. B, I'm going to talk about another way to go deeper. But before we leave this topic, if you're enjoying this video, do me a favor, hit the like button, think about subscribing. As the kids say, thumbs for likes and subs for love. And I give all of this away for free, but the way you put a smile on my face is by liking the video, by commenting, and subscribing. Okay, so what's my goal for going deeper in 2026? My thought here is, first off, this is not going to be for everybody, but if you enjoy my videos, this is going to be a chance to be coached directly by me. I've put over 3 years of content on YouTube. I've never offered a course. This really isn't going to be a course. It's going to be an opportunity for us to build a community and for me to facilitate that community, to help lead that community, and to have the discussion really designed for people that are pretty darn sure that they have enough money to retire, but for whatever reason, they find themselves hesitating. They're not pulling that trigger, and not pulling that trigger can cost you something that you can't buy, which is the youth of your senior years. And I saw it many, many times. It's why I launched my channel, because as a financial advisor, I saw people that could have retired 3, 5, 10 years earlier and put it off and keep working, either because, maybe they had 85% likelihood of success, and they wanted a 95% likelihood of success. Right. Well, when your financial advisor says you've got an 85% likelihood of success, that it's not a pass fail test. It's just, the likelihood that you're going to have to tweak things. I use the analogy of an airplane pilot bringing in a plane for a landing. If he or she finds himself low, they tweak things. They pull up the nose, they get back on course, and they safely land that plane. It's the same thing with our retirement. If you have an 85% chance of success, what that means is 85 times out of 100, you're going to be fine. You're just going to be able to enjoy 3, 4, 5 more years of retirement. But in the 15% of the time that you have to change something, it doesn't mean, you're going to live under a bridge and be homeless. What it means is you're going to have to tweak things. Maybe you postpone that Europe trip that you were hoping to take. Maybe you postpone taking the grandkids on the Disney cruise. Maybe you take up a part-time job, or you have your hobby become a job that can help pay the bills. But you tweak things along the way. You can still enjoy life. It's really about the mindset. And that's what this course is going to be about. It's going to be about the mindset. It's going to be the opportunity to meet other like-minded people that are also in a situation where they likely have enough money to retire, likely more than enough money to retire. Now, I've never opened this up, anything like this, to my audience before. So what I'm doing for people that are watching this video is I'm giving you a chance to sign up for the wait list. So you will know before anybody else when I decide to do this. I'm going to cap the number of people that can attend. So if you want first dibs to be able to do it, you can sign up for using this link that's showing up on your screen now. It'll take you to a landing page that looks like this, telling you just a little bit about the course, asking for your email address, so that I can email you and let you know when I'm launching the course. Again, I want to stress that, this is for people that feel pretty comfortable that they have enough money. I am not going to teach you how to build a financial plan. We may have some coaches in there to help you with that. But it's really, if you have enough money, but there's something holding you back, and maybe you can't even put your finger on what's holding you back. We're going to get to the bottom of that. We're going to work together, not just working with me, but also in the community of other people in a similar situation. And what my hope is that over time, this helps hundreds of us, thousands of us retire early. I can share with you from my own experience. I told myself I was going to retire before I was 60. So I set 2 goals, and I said one goal was financial, and I said it's okay to go above that financial goal. And frankly, I was fortunate. I hit that financial goal 10 years early. And the other one was an age goal, that I wasn't going to allow myself to go past a certain age. And that age was 60. And I thought about retiring when I was 55, and COVID happened. I was able to work remotely during that year that I worked remotely. I worked remotely from 70 different countries. It was wonderful. I don't know if I would have pulled the trigger at 55. I hope I would have, but I don't know. And so when I was 59, it's like, I'm not sure I'm mentally ready. And boy, am I glad that I pulled the trigger, because I am loving life. As I record this, I'm in Southern California. I like to surf. I live in the Pacific Northwest, where it rains a lot this time of year. I've got this bright, sunny weather, and I want you to have that experience. So if you're interested in the course, again, you can sign up here and be the very first one to know. And I want to thank you once again for helping me reach this goal so much earlier, a goal that I frankly wasn't sure I'd be able to achieve. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.